Welcome back to the channel. A lot of progress on the C10 this week. So today I'm going to start redoing the seat in the C10 square body. Taking the old cover off, have a new cover to go on. So I'll update you as I go through the process here. Right now I'm just taking the old one off. It has two rods that hog ring in like most seat covers do. So I'll take those off and get that cleaned up and show you what it looks like. Okay, so we got the recovering on the seat and got it ready to go back in the truck. A few little places there at the top where they had the material folded, but I'm sure a heat gun or some sun will straighten that out. Everything looks good there. Also got carpet laying in the truck. Very little trimming I'm gonna have to do to that. Got the back glass put in. Still got to put the locking channel in the glass, but we do have it in the truck. It's a put gray glass in the rear and the door glass and the wing windows of the truck. Just sort of like the looks of it a little better. You don't have to worry about tinting it. One thing I've done on this back strip, this was in pretty sad shape as far as being scuffed and places, so I sanded it and ended up just painting the rear trim molding. Gives the truck a little different look. Definitely know that it's my truck when you walk up on it, because most of those are either brushed aluminum look or just a matte finish on there, but the black ties in pretty nice with the silver. So today I'm going to finish installing the carpet. Probably go ahead and set the seat in there. I'm waiting on some color back dye or some vinyl dye to I'm going to go over these seat belts with that and the covers, make them look a little nicer before I put them in. But that's where we're at. Also got the instrument cluster put back in, got the radio put in. Steering column, I'm still working on that. Got an idea on that I'll share with you a little bit later on what I'm going to do on it. So, but we're making progress. Okay, so we're working on the wing windows. We're replacing the glass using gray Kent glass. We painted the frames on the doors, and this is what the new latch looks like, the mechanism. And these are a little complicated because there's no instructions, but we did finally, with the help of YouTube and some other stuff, figure it out. And I'll show you what all the pieces look like, and then we'll proceed to the next one. Why you get two sprays? So, because there's two different thickness glasses in these trucks, the later models have the thinner glass, so there's two different spacers. You want to make sure you use the thicker spacer to make up the difference in the glass. You can see the difference there. So we'll proceed on and get the other one done. These are different too. So there's one finished. So this inside weather strip is attached now. Just got tabs that bend over the inside, and then this piece will go there for the wing glass to set against. But it looks like we're going to have to put our wing glass in and the rivets back in that before we put this on. Here's the dye we're using on the pieces. It's actually a maroon burgundy color. And I went on and coated the dash cover too because I want it all to match correctly. So we're making progress. Hopefully next week we'll get back to painting some pieces and getting the tailgate, the doors, and the hood finished up. And we'll be close to having a complete truck ready to roll. Full video coming soon.